Okay, I once again welcome you to my YouTube audio classes. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss one of the important poems written by William Blake called The Nurse's Song, and this is the seventh poem of your syllabus, English third language. Okay, now we are going to discuss about this poem called The Nurse's Song. Before going to discuss this poem, I would like to show the picture of William Blake. This is the picture of William Blake, who had written this poem. William Blake was a poet, painter, and engraver, and he was also a mystic. Was born in London. His books of poems, like poetical sketches, was followed by songs of innocence and songs of experience. Okay, these are the two major works of William Blake called Songs of Innocence and Songs of Experience, which expresses his ardent belief in the freedom of imagination. He strongly believed that the freedom of imagination is very important. These ideas found their fullest expression in his prophetic poems. The poem Nurse's Song is taken from the book Songs of Innocence. The poem is about small children who enjoy a lot in the midst of nature. Now, before going to discuss the poem, I would like to show the list of some new words that is in the text. Okay, the green refers to green grass lawn, breast refers to bosom, still means silent or tranquil, gone down means set, dew means tiny drops of water that forms on the grass at night, leave off means stop, away means go, fades away means becomes dark, echo means reflection of sound repetition. Now this is the contrived picture of imagined or fancied picture of the nurse. Now here you can say the children are playing on green grass. Okay. Now the poem starts thus. When the voices of children are heard on the green, the voices of the children are heard on the green means the children were playing on a green grass, and laughing is heard on the hills. Their laughing is echoing in the hills. Then the nurse says that her heart is at rest within her breast. She says that her heart is at rest within her bosom, and everything else is still, and she sees that everything else is looking still. Then nurses start speaking. She spoke thus, then come home, my children. She asking the children to come back to dormitory. She says that the sun is gone down. The sun is going down. Here you can see the picture. The sun is going down. And the dews of night arise. She says that the dews of nights are arise. The green grass is covered with dews. That's why it is becoming night. Okay. So please return to dormitory. She is asking the children, come, leave off play. Please leave your play. Let us go away till the morning appears in the sky. We will be back when the morning will appear in the skies. Then we will come again and play on the green grass. Okay, now for time being, you should come back to dormitory. The nurse is requesting or beseeching the children. Okay. Now after this, next stanza is thus, no, let us play. The children's reply was that they want to play more, for it is yet a day. They say that it is yet a day and we cannot go to sleep. They are saying that we cannot go to sleep. We are not ready to go to our beds. Besides, in the sky, they say that in the sky we can see the little birds fly. Till the little birds are flying, and the hills are all covered with sheep. They are giving the two reasons. One is little birds are flying in the sky, and the hills are covered with sheep. You can see the picture here. The hills are covered with sheep. Okay. Now the birds are also flying in the sky. These are the two reasons given by the children for not going back to dormitory or going back home. Well, go and play. Then nurses permits them to go and play. She permits children to go and play till the light fades away. She says that you can come back when light goes out. Okay, it fades away, and then go home to bed. And after that, you can go home to bed. The little ones leaped when she had permitted them to play. The little ones leaped, they jumped, and they shouted, and they laughed, and all the hills echoed, and all the hills started echoing the voices of the children. Okay. The little ones leaped, shouted and laughed. You can see the picture here. The little ones leaped, shouted and laughed. Okay. This is the brief summary of the poem called The Nurse's Song.